All right, YouTube. For a lot of recipes, you want to look for like sub rolls that are local to your area. To my area, these ones are local. This company was established in 1908, but these come in handy to make subs, chicken parm subs, whatever subs. And another thing that goes great with that combination is garlic butter. If you don't feel like making it, you could buy it for really cheap. You see that? $2.31. And it's really good quality. But if you want to make it, make it. But if you want to save a shortcut, do it. But like I said, these sub rolls are really good. They can be made into many different recipes. Yeah, you want to just butter both sides, and then you're going to put it in a pan for a couple minutes face down. Alright, YouTube. So when you're done, it should kind of look like this. Butter on both sides. And you really don't have to worry about if it's chunky and it's not perfectly spread, because when you're throwing this in a pan and spinning it around, it's not going to matter. So this is just get the butter on there, and then you just want to toast it in a pan. Alright, YouTube, so we have this on medium in the pan. We're going to take that garlic butter, and we're going to put it in there, and you just spin it. And you just want to keep spinning this till you get this to the color that you want. And if you have to, just regulate the stove between medium to high, or if this is cooking too fast, then turn it down and moderate it between low and medium. But the thing you want to do is just spin this, and it's up to you what color you want the bread, how much you want to toast it. But look at that. Alright, YouTube, so you can see that bread is done. It has color. The hinge did break, but it's no big deal. You're going to be making a sandwich and eating it. But I could have let this go a little bit longer, and it would have got darker, and you could char the edges. But see how that is? Look at the quality of that. And you just flip it over, and you put in whatever you want inside the sandwich. But you can't go wrong by using garlic butter to flavor things. It makes sandwiches even better. Alright, YouTube, for this buffalo wing sandwich, I have these buffalo wings that were left over. If you have the same, use them, or if you just made them, use that. I'm going to actually take all the meat off of that and put it in this bowl. And then once all that's in there, I might add some more butter and some more hot sauce in it, and we'll use that as our buffalo wing mixture. Alright, YouTube, so we have all the chicken taken off of there, and we have melted butter. Now you're going to want to take some hot sauce, throw it in this butter, stir it around. Sorry, I was off camera. Stir this around, add some more hot sauce. I am running out of hot sauce. And the thing you're going to want to do is just pour this over on the chicken wings. You see that? And the thing to do is just start mixing this up. And since we already did the sub roll and garlic butter, we will put this together. But look at the quality of that. That's really good. So we are set. We will just put it together and we'll be eating soon. Alright, YouTube, so the thing we want to do now is to build this, take this chicken, and we're going to put this on the bottom. Since this is the base, you actually want this on the bottom, and then we'll build the rest of it on the top. But this will make for an interesting garlic bread buffalo wing sub. So just do that, and then we'll build the top part. Alright, YouTube, so take your mayonnaise and put this on the bread, and just use the back of your spoon and just start putting some iceberg lettuce on here. I did not cut this up because it's better to just place this like this loosely. And we're going to put tomato next. But this is going to be unbelievable because you have the garlic bread, then you have the hot sauce with the chicken, you have the mayonnaise, the lettuce and tomato. And once you put that together, it's going to taste outstanding. Alright YouTube, so the thing you're going to want to do is take your tomato and put that on there. If you wanted another layer of mayonnaise, you can. Then the thing we're going to do is flip this over, and look, you have your buffalo chicken sub. If you want it, you could add oil and vinegar onto that, and that thing is unbelievable. Alright, so there you have it, YouTube. Your garlic bread buffalo chicken sub. Look at all the flavors in there. Can definitely not go wrong. So if you like these type of videos, please subscribe, hit the bell, and I plan on bringing you so many ideas. I cannot wait to eat this, but all these flavors are going to blend together to create one great taste.